Here are 5 hacks everybody should do for their car. What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm gonna tell you guys 5 hacks everybody should do for their car. I did want to go off and just say thank you guys for all the support you guys have been giving me lately. It's kind of crazy. I started this channel around like 2-3 months ago and I already hit 100 subscribers. I can't thank you guys enough, and road to 1,000 subscribers, I guess. Let's keep it going hard, and I love every single one of you guys. And if you guys have any other video ideas, let me know down in the comments below. I love doing anything you guys ask for. Alright, let's get right into the video, and to start off in our number 5 spot, let's talk about cooling. So when talking about cars, you're gonna need either an engine or a battery to move around. These engines and batteries always heat up and you have to have a way to always cool them down. So that leads up to our number 5 spot. Cooling. Cooling can do many things for your car. It can bring up the horsepower for your car, it can bring up the reliability of your car, and it can bring out the overall daily drivability of your car. The reason why I'm saying that is whenever you add a better oil cooler or better intercooler or better radiator, you guys are gonna get longer terms of engine life. Overall, cooling is very simple and there really isn't much getting into it. But these are definitely very important assets we need to look into while getting a car, because if there's no cooling, the engine will just overheat and heat soak and everything will just fall apart. Now going into our number 4 spot, let's talk about something very important that people really don't put into consideration, and that will be tires. Believe it or not, tires have a huge impact on the way you drive. And no, I don't mean about just gripping on the floor, I'm talking about just the comfort of the driving. Overall, tires are a very important hack that really everybody should look into. Passing by tires, we could come to something that is very similar as well, and that can be suspension. Once again, all these hacks are meant for horsepower / comfort of the car, so we're trying to talk about really everything here. And suspension is definitely one of them that we had to include, because suspension, whether it's stiffer or it's softer, it could really go with anyone's needs. As long as you get a customizable coilover, then you'll be just fine, because if you want to get a soft ride, then you could set it into a very soft setting to make it a lot more luxurious and comfortable. And if you want to make it into a lot of harsher ride for it to have better grip and just a better track fitment, then you just put it like that. Coilovers really are just a blessing from God for our car community, because without these coilovers we can't really have too much adjustability, and overall bags as well. There's some sort of suspension that we can use like this as well. Now let's pass by all of this and let's make the title of this video literal, and that's what talking about getting an access port. So what is an access port? An access port is a small little computer you could put on your car and pretty much download any sort of tune you want for your car. Getting one of these little things and putting a tune on it can be one of the best bang for your buck things you could ever get for your car. It overall changes the complete way of your driving and truly is a hack for your car with it hacking the ECU. And of course, it's not actually hacking, it just modifies the ECU for the engine to run the way you want it to, for you to gain more horsepower and for you to gain even more reliability for some cars. Overall, the access port is goated, and I can't wait till I get one for my car because I'm really close to getting one. Make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, because sooner or later I'm gonna start modding my Subaru, and by sooner or later I mean these coming 2 weeks. Now passing all of that, let's talk about the number 1 hack anybody can do for their car. And with that being said, that will be Apple CarPlay. Now I do know this doesn't go with every car, because usually cars from 2016 till present time come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto if I'm correct. But for older cars, this can be a huge issue. Some people might not like Bluetooth, and some people might not like those 1990s GPS you get to place on your car. With one of my friends having an old 2002 C5 with it having a radio, no CarPlay, that was probably one of the first mods he did, and probably the smartest mod he has on the car. And the reason why I'm saying this is because it makes really driving a lot more practical. With you getting calls, with you listening to music, with you trying to get GPS on, it just makes life so much easier. And if you are gonna get this, make sure to make it wireless, because having wired Apple CarPlay like me really does suck. Anyways guys, those are my 5 hacks everybody should really do for their cars, and make sure they have intact. Overall, with cars, things change and new things come out all the time, and your car should be updated like how you update your phone or your computer. If you guys did enjoy this video though, please make sure to leave a like and comment and subscribe. I really do appreciate all of the support I've gotten on all of these videos, and let's keep pushing and let's keep getting bigger, and I'm gonna try my best to keep getting better with these videos. I do appreciate you guys for watching, and let me know down in the comments below if did I get anything wrong, whether you guys would want to see other videos than this, Just let me know. Well, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.